What up, my people? Me again, back here from the village. So recently we have been having a lot of rains, and right now it has been raining. The road, and even now, today I carried an umbrella, so I have to arm myself very well so that I protect myself from being rained on. Welcome. Let me show you around how it looks today. So this is how it looks like today, being a Sunday. I usually go to church on Sundays. So it is afternoon and we have to go back for some studies. Then later we can call it a day. So this is how the village is looking like after the rains. See, the place is so muddy and a lot of water by the roadside. Yeah, these are the stagnant waters by the roadside. I think if trenches are not going to be made, then this place will be messy because there will be a lot of waters, and even it may end up affecting the tarmac road, because if the water is so much by the roadside, then actually it is going to affect the tarmac eventually. So they need to dig up some trenches which can at least move some of the waters from this other side. So those are some of the things which our politicians have failed to do in the villages. So we give them a job for 5 years and yet they don't deliver at all. Well, as I told you, I'm showing you around how our village is looking today after the rains. There are so many vehicles. This is the highway from Kisii town to Nakuru. This is the main way from Kisii to Nakuru. So you pass through Nyamira town and then you go to Kericho town and later Nakuru. So this is the main highway which is about to be expanded since the traffic is too much to cater for transportation of goods and translating the passengers from Kisii to Nakuru. Then now that Nakuru is a big city, recently when they wanted to expand this road, many people were affected because, as you can see, even that one was demolished. People used to do their businesses there. Even the centers around this place were demolished because they want to expand this road. But it has taken like 4 months since the demolitions happened, but nothing has been seen. They haven't even started anything. So those businesses were feeding a lot of families. There are business people who are having shops. There are those who are welding. There are those who are having some barber shops. They all got a lot of losses because of this highway. This where the government should at least favor its citizens by getting some views from them. I think if they were actually ready for this construction of this highway, then they could have given these people at least a grace period so that they can search for a place where they can do their businesses before demolishing them. So these losses were so big that even other people are now not able to run their businesses because of the demolitions which took place. You see all this area, this is a small center around this place. There were a lot of demolition which took place here, when other people, even they don't have a place where they can sleep. They don't have a place where they can even start any small business. So you can see how this small center looks like. They were demolished. There were shops which were by the roadside which got demolished, and that was a big loss to these people of this area. This is another problem which I was telling you about. You see, this road is about to get so messed up because this place lacks a trench which can at least move the waters from this small Maram road to the other side. See, the situation is pathetic. The tarmac is going to be demolished because these MPs are not doing what is supposed to be done. So I'm about to reach my destination for now. I'm going to my church for the afternoon service. Let me show you my church, how it looks. Then I can call it a video. Yeah. So this is the place which I call my church. You see that building with a blue mark on the top? Yeah, that one. That's my church. So that's it for now. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share my videos. Bye bye. Good day.